Welcome back to the channel, BMW fans. I'm Gray Fox and I have my stepson here with me today. He's my principal videographer, photographer, and mechanic, and he's going to be helping me out. We're going to be unboxing N63R charge pipes, and we're going to be doing the install today too. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox this in here. Of course, as always, when we're using a knife or anything to unbox, we're going to be super careful not to go too deep, and we don't want to cut our nice new charge pipes. We want them to look as good as possible once we get them on. Oh, nice. We got some ARM stickers here. Thank you, ARM Motorsports. That's exciting to see that. Got some stickers to put on the car. Alright. Install guides, cool. Alright, so we have our clamps. We have the metal piece that's going to be mounting up to the turbos. So we got that here. Don't want it to roll off the table here, so got one of these for each side. And from what I understand, it does matter which side you have it on. An easy way to tell is the ARM logo is always going to be facing up, right? It's not going to be facing down. They wouldn't put it facing down. So it's probably going to go something like that. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But that's what we got. All the pieces we need for the charge pipes to get installed. So we're going to have to clean this up a little bit. Yeah, there's some stuff in there, so I'm going to have to clean it up a little bit before the install, but we'll clean it up and get started. We have the charge pipes all set up and ready to go. We have it set up how it needs to be installed, so we have the pipes here. These pipes are going to be just like this, so the port is going to be on the sides, on the outsides of both sides. And it should go basically just like this. We may have to make some adjustments once we get it in the car, but this is roughly how it should be. This should be off to the side on this side. This port should be off to the side on this side. The longer pipe is going to be on the left side on both sides, it looks like. So yeah, this is how it goes. A couple things to note. The pipes were not too bad, but we did clean them just to be sure. Anytime you're doing any kind of work like this, any intake, charge pipes, anything with the intake system, you always want to make sure that the piping is completely clean of debris, dirt, dust, anything, right? So just make sure that those are clean. Second thing to note is the ports. Just make sure these are tight. They were pretty tight when we got them, but again, just make sure that the ports plugs are very tight and that you're not going to get any leaks. They're not going to get loose and leak in the future. Definitely don't want any leaks that would cause any dust or debris or dirt to get in there. Okay, so we got the first charge pipe off. We're going to do the left side, or depending on how you're looking at it, the right side. So got this one off. We didn't have too much trouble. We had a little bit of trouble, so a few tips. So when you're taking the clamp off, the way that I did it was pretty easy. Just wedge your flathead screwdriver into here. It's pretty separate now. It was tight when I first started, but just wedge in, just work your way in back and forth until you get it separated. Just keep working back and forth until it becomes loose, and then it'll be loose enough where you can just take it apart. So that was pretty easy. And then Another tip, the pipe was stuck on here. Of course, it gets super hot, so it's going to get hot, and the rubber is going to stick to pretty much everything it's touching. So I just wedged a screwdriver in here, just worked my way around to get it loose, and then on this side, wedged it as far as I could, then just kind of pried it out a little bit. Then once I had it pried out a little bit, I was able to just yank it off. We'll show on the other side here in a minute what we did there. Just a couple tips there. And I think that's it for tips. Probably the next thing, just clean around here as much as you can. I wiped it down, I wiped out on the inside. Luckily for me, it seems like this engine and everything is doing pretty good. There's not really any oil inside here, so that's good. That's a good sign. Okay, so just like I said a minute ago, we'll just take a screwdriver, just work our way in here. Just work it back and forth like that. Oh, you can see it's loosening up. That's pretty loose. There we go, easy as that. It's pretty easy. Always easier the second time. First time wasn't too bad, but always easier the second time. And of course this is going to be stuck on there. It's been getting super hot. Everything, like I said a minute ago, everything this rubber touches is going to get stuck to it. So, there we go. Done. Easy. This part might give us a little bit of trouble. Just as you can see this rubber's stuck onto this plastic. We want to be careful of these here. We can move things out of the way. We can move this cable out of the way. Just make sure we don't damage anything here. There we go. That backside was stuck. All right, got that. Hold on, I got it. There we go. Okay, got it.
And boom.
Got it. So once we get this C-clamp off, it'll look like that. We have this ready, but once you put the C-clamp in, this is going to go right in there. This is going there, so that's going to go on that side. And once we have the left side prepared, so it's ready to go. And from what I saw in the photos and other videos, it's going to go pretty close to that there. Get our clamps ready. Clamps are going to be about like that. Get those on there. Okay, now here's the fun part. Okay, so the easiest way that I found to get this on is not to try to push the back of the pipe on and keep the front on. The best way that I found to do it is just push the whole thing back until the back of the charged pipe is over the back, and then you can work this around the front here, just like that. And then once that, then you can work it on from there. There we go. I made that one look easy. The other side didn't go on that easy. This one's fitting a little bit better too. But here, that's looking really good. Perfect. Looks great. Now we just need to... I always make the second time look easy. Don't show me fighting the first time around. Alright, it looks good. It looks perfect. I think we're done. Yeah, it looks great. We'll take the camera off of here in a second and show you what it looks like. Alright. Looks great. Looks amazing. I'm happy to have this done finally. The charge pipes have been sitting in the garage for about 2 weeks, so we've been itching to get these on here. But it looks good. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. We're a small channel with a goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers, and your support really helps our channel.